my new friend Henry Lee. I just did the biggest carpet restretch I've ever done in my entire career. So you are the award winner, #1 champion for the largest restretch job.
Thank you so much. It looks very impressed. You, it's very, very good. I'm looking upstairs. Looks beautiful.
Man, that's awesome.
Very good job. Hard work.
Thank you. And I guarantee this job too.
I see a lot of American people working, not that hard work. But
Yeah.
usually, I'm the best guy.
All right, so I'm a hard worker.
Yeah, our recommendation to
All right.
a lot of be more people. Maybe.
Awesome. Would you say I'm a national treasure?
Yeah, that's a treasure.
So here's your prize.
It looks like I see you. It's very customer certification.
Yay.
It's very good.
Yay.
Trust it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, you can.
So go ahead. This is your prize. Look at that. That's his prize.
Oh my
hey.
God. That's why you get my present.
Yeah, that's your present.
Okay, I get a nice cover and I give it to the Christmas
Yeah.
present for my wife.
Yeah. That's an expensive present right there.
Yeah.
You know, you spent top dollar.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so you ready to do my jingle?
It's carpet cleaner. It's jingle. Fresh job. When you carpet clean anybody, I did fresh carpet cleaner.
Close.
Fresh start. Your carpet cleaner, fresh start. #1. Fresh start. #1.